Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase, pricing, and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is the Patek Philippe Aquanaut 5067A-014. The 5067 arrived in 2004 as a female-oriented entry in the Aquanaut collection. And this is certainly that. And I'm not going to lie, this is a lady's size. Sometimes we talk about unisex watches, but this being of exceptionally small dimensions, I think you're going to agree with me that you need a petite wrist to wear this. In stainless steel, 36 millimeters in diameter, 7.9 millimeters thick, 41.3 from lug tip to lug tip. It has a 19 millimeter spacing between the lugs. Now here's where I feel like, especially compared to my tiny wrist, the watch still feels quite small. So my wrist is 16 centimeters in circumference, and you can see down the barrel, I've got a mile of clearance on each side. Now, this is a very comfortable watch, and the nice thing about it is you could wear this formally. It's graceful enough with diamonds and the Patek Philippe pedigree that if you want to make this your all-time watch, you could certainly do so. All the time, and I do mean all the time, 120 meters water-resistant, fully loomed, and steel durability. Taking a look in profile, it'll easily slide underneath a tight sleeve. Taking a look at the strap now, it has the unique Aquanaut hobnail, a feature of these watches since the first back in 1997. The combination of the rubber strap with the Patek Philippe sports watch was considered to be ambitious at the time. At almost the same time, in the late 1990s, Patek Philippe was debuting the Ladies 24, which ambitiously and somewhat heretically combined it steel with diamonds. And this watch is really both of those threads. We've got the luxury watch with the rubber strap, and we've got the steel with the diamonds. 1 carat, by the way. Taking a look at the strap, it is quite long, and my goodness, do they give you a lot of length. To cut this suitably, you will have many, many, many pre-scored segments. It's almost as if they anticipated this strap to be used on a man's wrist. And you could see that it may be that the strap has other model applications due to its sheer size. The clasp is a handsome double fold. You can see it is a friction fit double folding deployant clasp in steel. It has the Calatrava across the logo of the manufacturer. Taking a look at its internal layout, it's a fairly standard piece. Fixed with spring bars. Taking a look at the case now, the distinctive Aquanaut form factor. We have satin in profile, we have polished lug hoods, we have a bezel that is a rounded polygon, a nod to its illustrious older brother, the Nautilus. Now you can see we've got a crown guard. This is a screw down crown. This is a true 120 meter water resistant watch. You can see the outer bezel, the diamond track, the inner bezel, and the crystal and the dial all have that rounded polygonal form. We've also got a lovely lush blue, almost cobalt blue lacquer with red accents and lime green luminova. This is a very cheerful watch. Taking a look at the watch in the dark, I mentioned this is an all-the-time watch, and I mean it, even at nighttime. The hands, as well as the indices, are nicely decorated metal. You can see all of the numerals. They're not indices. The numerals themselves are made of metal, and then the indices outboard of them contain the luminescent material. We do have a couple of setting modes for those of you who like to set your watches to the second. We have stop seconds, and we also have a quick set mechanism so you can rapidly cycle the date. There is a Patek movement inside. This is the E23 SC. It's a 2.5 millimeter thick quartz with a 3-year power reserve, 7 joules. So there is quite a bit of conventional watchmaking in here. The diameter is 23.9 millimeters. So being thin and relatively compact, it's perfectly sized for this application. And it's accurate to approximately 5 to 15 seconds per month. As a quartz caliber, you won't need to reset it too frequently. A fun watch with a lot of cheerful colors and a pedigree beyond reproach. It is a Patek Philippe Aquanaut with the convenience of quartz, water resistance, and plenty of lume, as well as some diamonds for high style. This is a watch that you can put on and probably never take off. Reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.